Friends, today we dive into the history of early 20th century automotive engineering and explore the 1909 Alco Truck, a true symbol of American reliability and innovative design. This truck is a perfect example of how manufacturers of the time combined strength, practicality, and cutting-edge technical solutions. The American Locomotive Company, better known as Alco, introduced its first truck in 1909, immediately drawing attention for its durability and ability to carry heavy loads. It was a compact yet sturdy vehicle, designed for urban transport and short-haul deliveries between towns. The Alco Truck 1909 measured about 4 meters 80 centimeters in length, 1 meter 90 centimeters in width, and 2 meters 20 centimeters in height. Its curb weight was approximately 2,600 kilograms, with a payload capacity reaching 1,500 kilograms, which was impressive at the time. Under the hood sat a 4-cylinder gasoline engine with a displacement of 4,300 cubic centimeters, producing around 40 horsepower. For a truck of that era, this provided sufficient power to move confidently, even when fully loaded. The top speed reached roughly 50 kilometers per hour, making it practical both in cities and beyond. The gearbox offered 3 forward gears and 1 reverse, giving the driver comfortable control even on rough terrain and uneven roads. Its suspension used leaf springs for strength and durability, while drum brakes on all wheels provided reliable stopping power. Alco trucks featured both open and enclosed cabs, catering to different needs. The open cab allowed easy visibility and ventilation, ideal for quick urban deliveries, while the enclosed version offered better protection from weather and greater comfort for longer journeys. This versatility made the design practical for a wide range of clients. Interestingly, from 1909 to 1913, Alco produced over 1,000 trucks, with the cab-over-engine layout standardized for all Alco trucks, ranging from 2 to 6 tons. Top speeds varied from 8 miles per hour for the heaviest Alco trucks to 17 miles per hour for the 2-ton models. Clients included companies such as Singer Sewing Machine Company, Gimbels, and Henry Kroger. Alco entered automotive history in 1912 when 5 workers from the Charles W. Young Soap Company drove their 3.5-ton Alco truck 6,400 kilometers, completing the first recorded transcontinental delivery by truck. On June 20th, the team departed New York with a 3-ton load of soap bound for the Carlson Courier Company in Petaluma, California. Despite the lack of proper roads, they completed the journey in 91 days, showcasing the truck's remarkable reliability and endurance. The simplicity and robustness of the Alco design were key to its success. The strong body with wide doors allowed easy loading and unloading, while the cab protected the driver and offered comfort during long trips. Alco trucks were widely used in factories, construction sites, and urban transport, with some units still in operation well into the 1920s, proving the durability and reliability of these vehicles. The 1909 Alco truck was not just a transport machine. It became a symbol of early 20th century American engineering, where practicality, strength, and innovation were paramount. It remains a testament to a time when engineers solved real-world transport challenges with ingenuity and solid design. If you are fascinated by rare and unique vehicles, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Here, we share legendary vehicles, uncover technical secrets, and reveal unique facts you won't find in textbooks. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our next stories of automotive history and retro machinery.